If you've got a business account on Instagram and are tired of using it while looking for ways to switch your Instagram account from business to personal, GadInsider has got you covered. Here's a guide on how you can switch your Instagram account from business to personal easily without having any problems. Follow these steps to switch your Instagram account from business to private easily. First, go to your profile and tap or click on More. Tap or click on Settings. Depending on your profile type, tap Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools. Tap Switch Account Type, then tap Switch to Personal Account. Tap Switch to Personal to confirm. It's important to note that when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content, including content and insights for ads, will be permanently removed. Moreover, you'll lose access to Meta Business tools like Meta Business Suite and Meta Ads Manager.